The full specifications of the DJI Air 2S has leaked after somebody purchased the drone at Best Buy pre-release. In this video, I'm gonna go over all of the specs, so make sure you watch all the way to the very end. But before we get started, I want to tell you guys real quick about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that'll help you grow your YouTube channel. It's a Google Chrome extension that really allows you to maximize your YouTube channel's full ability, and I definitely recommend you guys check that out. I'll be leaving a link to that in the description below. But let's get into the video. So the DJI Air 2S is officially a thing. It's actually happening. We've seen pictures of it at this point. There is even an exact release date of April 15th. But one thing that a lot of people don't know are the full specs, and I have those right here. This drone is definitely gonna give the Mavic 2 Pro a run for its money after you hear these specs. First thing I'll go over is battery life. What we've come to expect from a lot of DJI GPS drones is the 30-minute battery life. That will be the same for this DJI Air 2S. It's gonna be around 31 minutes for battery. The sensor is confirmed to be a 1-inch CMOS sensor that shoots 20 megapixel photos, which is very much in line with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The drone will be able to shoot, get this, 5.4K at 30 frames per second, or 4K at 60 frames per second. Of course, it will also be able to shoot 2.7K in case you need to use that, but wow, I was not expecting 5K video. According to these specifications, it does look like the drone is gonna be able to shoot 10-bit video, which is awesome. I currently shoot 10-bit video with my DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and it looks amazing. So the ability of having 5K with 10-bit video, I mean, that's amazing. Although personally, I am more excited about 4K at 60 frames per second. That is something I really want on my Mavic 2 Pro, and the fact that it's gonna be on the Air 2S is really crazy. It definitely makes me wonder what the Mavic 3 is gonna have. According to these specifications, it will also have a 7.5 mile range, which is pretty awesome, although you should be keeping your drone in your visual line of sight. But that is pretty cool that it's gonna have an even better range. That means less of an opportunity for the drone to lose connection with the remote control. The drone should have OcuSync 3.0 as well, which is what we see on the DJI FPV drone. This is gonna be awesome. OcuSync 3.0 is incredible. I have never lost connection with the DJI FPV drone, even though I'm flying down low and like through different obstacles. So that's really cool that it's gonna have OcuSync 3.0, and that should be the norm moving forward with the higher end drones. We should definitely be seeing that in the Mavic 3 as well. Operating temperature range is around 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty normal for DJI drones. The total takeoff weight is 595 grams, but one thing the drone will be lacking is an adjustable aperture, which I know a lot of people wanted, but I feel like DJI is definitely saving that pro feature for the Mavic 3. Remember, the DJI Air 2S is not a pro drone. It is, well, I guess now you could use it professionally for sure as like, you know, a backup drone, or even if you can't afford something like the Mavic 2 Pro or the Mavic 3 when that comes out, this is going to be a great option to get started with your drone business. Or if you're a photographer or videographer and you want to add a drone perspective to your work, this is definitely going to be a great drone to have for that without breaking the bank. So guys, that's it. It's on its way, and we should be hearing about it on April 15th. DJI actually already has their event scheduled, which is really exciting. I know a lot of people are looking forward to this drone. If you liked today's video, definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up as it'll help it rank higher in the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.